Okay, so welcome back to my channel. This is Parth, and we have a new machine which is a double trouble. Okay, so here is the double trouble one. Released on the 2021 11 September. Download, you can download here OVF file, and this is some screenshots here, which is the machine screenshot. So here is the running on the VMware virtual box, and Debian. Here is the Debian Linux, and this is our Kali Linux, which we can run on the VMware workstation. And this is the vulnerable machine IP address is 104, and our Kali Linux IP address is 103. And now we have a network scan with using a nmap. So here is two port is open, 22, and port 80 is open. So now what we do, port 80 to finding in the browser, which is a HTTP port, we finding load the IP address in the browser and find some here. One 192.168.4 enter. Here is the under maintenance. Please check back later. Go to the view source page. Okay. Check our dev note sections if you need to know what is work on. Okay, so go back and trying to directory booster on the websites, finding some directories. Copy this and go to the terminal. And trying to booster on this which is a 4 here and slash, and then finding the hidden directories. Here is many directories here, which is backups, updates, images, install sections. We're finding some new directory which we can exploit this machine. Template here is the uploads directory. You remember this directory. Copying this link and go to here, opening new tab, paste it over here, hit enter. Here is the double trouble JPG. So we trying to save this image in our directory, the home, in the home directory. Save this JPG here, save it. Trying to this finding in this JPG some new here. So we trying to stack seek. Okay, we can download it. So we download this text stack seek. So finding something here which we can exploit in this image. Here is the steganography of this image. Clear this and stack seek, and here is the JPG file. we using the word list is /user share word list and rockq.txt here, and type the xf img and hit enter. Okay, so we found the pass here. Here is the pass and grad.txt, which is extracting on the image. So we're trying to get image here. Here is 2, which is copy this, paste into our notepad here. Okay, so log in with these details, which is localhost.com here. Copy this and okay, this is under maintenance here. So we're trying to finding the go to the we have a directory booster, so finding some directories which we can add these credentials, which is upload these templates, and here is the uploads. Copy this, copy link, paste it here, which is paste it over here. Okay, here is the users, so there is nothing here. Attachments here, there is nothing here. Go back. Okay, so next try to finding other uploads we try, and there is an install is here. There is no login page here, and we find some login page for the login. We're trying to port 80 on this. Okay, there is nothing here. Check back later, view source page, and check our development sections. So go to the development and finding some here. Okay, there is nothing here. There is we trying to the login page, which is here. Finding some login page. Images, actions, templates is here. Is this plugins and at all. This is the backup core icon, images. Copy this link, paste it here. Okay, we have the login page with index.php, which is index.php, and go here, copy this portion, copy this and paste into the email sections, and we have the password, which is OTS 666. Paste it over here. Remind me, login, not now. And wow, we are logging in the section. And here is the projects, view all projects, trying to view the task, tools here. There is some, we're trying to some uploading here to find some here. Go to the my account, which is admin account. So here is the, okay, so we have the uploading here. So we type the password, which is YZ123. Phone is not required. Okay, so here is the photo is required. So we trying to the upload the PHP reverse shell file, which is in our directory here. Dev.php is our PHP reverse shell file, which we can edit this file. We have put our Kali Linux IP address, which is 103. Okay, so here is the same IP address is here. Close this, and netcat nvlp1234 port is running, and I'll go to the browser, browse the file, and there is a rev.php is here. Okay, here, opening this file, and this file is here. We go to the save file. Okay, not now. And we have the error, which is we go to the first terminal, we have the shell, yeah, not. So we not have any shell is here. So go to the upload sections and go to the users here, and we have the PHP reverse shell. So clicking on these files, we have the shell. Clear this all things. Okay, terminal not environment. We have ls here. We go to the cd/home section. ls here. ls-la. Okay, there is nothing here. So we type the ID for who we are. So we are www.data. So we trying to first Python 3-c import on gender. Now we have this here. Okay, terminate motive here. So we trying to sudo shell. Hit enter. So here is the no password is here, but here is the user being off. Copy this and go to the browser and go to here. Opening new tab. Here for beans, which is awk vulnerabilities, and paste it over here. No binary matches. So we're trying to close all this and awk. Here is the awk. We're trying to sudo here. Okay. So here is the sudo awk bing. Copy this and paste into our terminal. Go to the terminal here. paste and hit enter. Okay, so we are rooted. ls id who am I? We are root cd/root here. ls here is the OVF file is here, and we are rooted this machine. So thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe, and we meet in the next video, which we are new machine and new day. So thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. Happy hacking. Okay, bye.